Hello guys! Kamusta kayong lahat? This video po is an update doon sa posted video ko regarding Land Bank Cash Card balance inquiry using mobile phone without visiting any Land Bank branch. Through this video guys, malalaman po natin real time kung magkano yung laman ng ating cash card or ito po yung mga cash card na issued sa mga senior citizens and then sa mga 4Ps for their social pension and cash assistance. In this video din guys is meron tayong step-by-step tutorial kung paano natin i-withdraw yung pera na pumasok sa ating cash card account through the ATM machine. Stay tuned lang kayo guys, for this video is a total package.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. I am Casey and I make videos about business, financial literacy, tutorials, and life lessons. If you are interested sa mga ganitong contents, you can connect with me through Cases Adventures on Facebook and YouTube.
So, dako na po tayo sa step-by-step tutorial on how to balance inquiry your cash card. Ang first po nating gagawin is to ensure na yung ating phone ay connected sa Wi-Fi or nakadata po tayo kasi po ang pagbabalance inquiry po natin is through online. And then, pag wala pa po kayong naka-install na Land Bank mobile banking app, pwede po tayong mag-download sa Google Play or Apple Store. Antayin lang po natin na mag-successful ang pag-install ng app sa ating mobile phone. Upon successful installation or download, pindutin po natin yung open. Basahin lang po natin yung terms and conditions to fully understand yung ating mobile banking app. Nakalagay din po dyan yung mga features ng Land Bank mobile banking app and its uses. Scroll up lang po kayo hanggang makarating po tayo dun sa dulo. Pag nandyan na po tayo sa baba, i-click lang po natin yung I agree. In this window naman po, pinapakita yung mga powerful features ng ating Land Bank mobile banking app. You can read this po para po malaman ninyo kung ano pa po yung mga ibang features ng ating Land Bank mobile banking app. If you want to learn about them naman po next time, you can press skip this and then press po natin yung let's go. Yung user ID and password guys, ini-inputan lang po yan pag may existing Land Bank iAccess account ka na. Pero kahit wala ka pa pong iAccess account guys, pwede ka pa din pong mag-balance inquiry ng inyong cash card. Scroll up lang po tayo guys and then press po natin yung cash card inquiry. Sa cash card number portion po, i-input po natin yung cash card number ng ating cash card. Ang cash card number po ay ang 19 digits na makikita sa harap ng ating cash card. I-ensure nyo po na tama yung pag-input nyo ng cash card number. Diyan naman po sa PIN portion is yung 4 digits na PIN code po natin. Reminder lang guys na wag po nating ipapaalam sa iba ang ating PIN code para po hindi magkaroon ng access ang ibang mga tao sa ating cash card transactions. Pag lumalabas yung ganitong error message guys, don't worry, ulitin nyo lang po yung pag-balance inquiry. Kasi minsan po, lumalabas lang yung ganyang error message pag mahina yung ating connection. Pag may na-display pong ganitong information, basahin nyo po para malaman nyo yung mga updates ni Land Bank. And then, click OK. In this screen po, madi-display yung ating current balance. Ayan po, meron po tayong 1,000 pesos na available balance. Pwede na po natin itong i-withdraw through the ATM machine. To log out po, press po natin yung arrow sa taas and then click yes. This next tutorial naman po is kung paano natin i-withdraw yung balance natin sa cash card through the ATM machine. I-insert po natin properly yung ating cash card sa ating ATM machine. In this screen po, i-enter po natin yung ating 4 digits PIN code. Pwede din po nating i-balance inquiry yung ating cash card through the ATM machine. Press lang po natin yung balance inquiry and then cash card. Pagkatapos po, madi-display na yung ating current available balance ready for withdrawal. So, dito po, press lang natin yung yes and then withdraw cash. Pindutin po natin yung cash card and enter the desired amount. For this withdrawal po, ang i-withdraw po natin is yung buong 1,000 pesos. For cash card account, pwede naman pong ubusin po natin yung available balance. Antayin lang po natin na ma-process yung ating transaction. Antayin po natin na lumabas yung ating cash card sa ATM card reader slot. Ang next naman pong i-dispense ay yung ating pera. And the last one po is yung ating ATM receipt. So, ganyan lang po kadali guys ang mag-withdraw sa ating Landbank cash card using the ATM machine. If may natutunan po kayo sa ating video tutorial today, don't forget to like this video, share this to your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials like this one. You can also comment below guys kung may mga videos or tutorials kayo na gusto nyo pong ipagawa sa akin. Kasi po, I mostly make videos based sa mga comment or questions ng mga followers and subscribers ko po. Until our next video guys, bye! Stay safe! God bless!